Welcome, in front of me is a CAT S61, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on this phone. Now for this process we will need a cable plugged into our computer. So I have one right here, and to get started let's power off our device. And once it's off you want to hold volume up, and while holding volume up plug it in. This will take you to the recovery mode. So from here, using volume keys, you want to navigate through this menu in order to select apparently there is no cache wipe.